Hello everyone and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. Today's presentation is titled Building Wealth from Zero, and our goal is to guide you through practical steps to shape your financial future. We'll explore how small efforts can lead to significant gains, even if you're just starting out with little or no savings. Over the next few slides, we'll cover mindset, strategic planning, and consistency, keys to unlocking financial growth. So, let's get started and discover how anyone can build wealth from the ground up. All right, let's talk about a really important idea here. Even if you're earning $2,000 a month, you can still build wealth. How? By being consistent with saving, investing strategically, and finding ways to create additional income streams. It's about making smart choices with what you have. Another key point is continuous education. Keep learning about finance, investing, and business principles. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. It's also crucial to focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems or excuses. Opportunities are out there, and it's up to us to identify them and overcome challenges. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is essential. Stay committed to your long-term goals. And finally, building wealth starts with your mindset. It's not just about the money in your bank account. It's about how you think about money, developing a wealth-building mindset. Many believe that only a big inheritance or a high-paying job leads to riches, but that's not true. True financial success comes from informed decisions, disciplined habits, and patience. So focus on developing that mindset, stay consistent, and keep learning. That's how you lay the foundation for lasting wealth. Now, let's look at the impact of making small changes to our dining out habits. If you cut your monthly dining expenses from $300 down to $100, that's a saving of $200 each month. And what's great about that is you can redirect that money into savings or investments, helping your wealth grow faster. The first step is to identify where you can cut back. Think about areas where you might be spending unnecessarily. Maybe takeout, snacks, or coffee runs. Pinpointing those spots is key to making meaningful changes. Next, it's important to track your expenses carefully. Using a spreadsheet or a budgeting app can help you record every dollar going out. This meticulous tracking gives you a clear picture of your spending habits, which is crucial for making informed decisions. Don't forget to list all your income sources as well. Knowing exactly how much money is coming in from different streams ensures you have a complete view of your financial flow. The main idea here is that before you can grow your wealth, you need to understand how your money moves. Spending without awareness is a common mistake, but gaining clarity on your cash flow is the foundational step toward control and growth. Mastering your income and expenses sets the stage for smarter financial decisions and long-term success. Let's consider the power of compound interest. Even saving just $100 a month consistently over 10 years can grow to over $15,000. That's the magic of your money working for you over time. Now, to make the most of this, aim to save at least 20% of your net income, or even more if you can. It might seem like a lot initially, but the key is consistency. One effective way to stay on track is by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Automating your savings ensures you don't forget or skip, making it easier to stay disciplined. It's also important to build an emergency fund, ideally enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net gives you peace of mind and financial stability if unexpected expenses come up. Remember, even modest amounts, if saved and invested wisely over time, can grow significantly. The secret here is unwavering consistency and discipline. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your financial routine, and you'll be surprised how quickly your savings can grow. Let's talk about how you can actively increase your earning potential. For instance, developing high-demand skills like digital marketing or coding can realistically add between $500 and $1,000 to your monthly income. This can really accelerate your wealth-building journey. Acquiring certifications or training in these areas not only boosts your skills, but also your market value. You might also explore freelancing, starting online ventures, or offering specialized services. These are great ways to diversify your income streams. Another effective strategy is starting a side hustle, which can generate extra cash and bring new opportunities. And don't forget about negotiating. Asking for a raise or a promotion at your current job can significantly improve your earning capacity. Remember, building wealth isn't just about saving money, it's equally about increasing what you earn. The more you earn, the more fuel you have for your savings and investments. So the key message here is to actively work on amplifying your earnings, because higher income means faster wealth accumulation. Let's consider this. Paying off a $2,000 credit card balance with a 20% interest rate can save you about $400 each year in interest payments. That's money directly adding to your wealth, instead of going to interest fees. It's a perfect example of how managing debt wisely can really make a difference. Now, not all debt is created equal. Some loans for items that quickly lose value, like certain cars or electronics, or payday loans with sky-high fees, are examples of bad debt. High-interest credit card debt used for luxury items or unnecessary consumption can also be harmful. These types of debt usually drain your resources and don't contribute to building your net worth. On the other hand, good debt is different. Student loans that help you advance your career, business loans that fund growth and investment, and mortgages for appreciating property are examples of debt that can actually increase your assets or net worth over time. They're investments in your future. The key point here is that debt itself isn't inherently bad or good. It's a double-edged sword. It can accelerate your financial progress when used wisely, or trap you in a cycle of high-interest payments when misused. The critical thing is to avoid high-interest, non-productive debt, like revolving credit card balances or predatory payday loans, that actively erodes your financial stability. So navigating debt wisely really means distinguishing between good and bad debt. Focus on taking on debt that helps you grow your assets and wealth, and steer clear of debt that just drains your resources and keeps you stuck. Let's take a closer look at the power of consistent investing. For example, if you invest just $100 each month with a 7% annual return over 20 years, that can grow to around $50,000. This really highlights how small, regular contributions can build into significant wealth over time. The key takeaway here is to start small, stay consistent, and watch your portfolio grow gradually. Now, you don't have to do it all by yourself. Micro-investing apps make it easier to get started with little amounts. And if you're interested in real estate, you can invest in property without the hassle of direct ownership through real estate investment trusts, or REITs. They're a great way to diversify your portfolio. Another important point is to leverage tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k), S, and IRAs. These help you save for retirement while minimizing taxes, making your money work even harder for you. For beginners, diversified and low-cost options like index funds and ETFs are ideal. They provide broad market exposure and help reduce risk. And remember, the earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from the power of compound interest. It's like your money earning money, multiplying over time. Investing is truly about making your money work diligently for you, and that's where real wealth creation begins. So, the takeaway is, unlock growth by starting early and staying consistent. When it comes to building real wealth, relying solely on a single job is inherently risky. That's why resilient and wealthy individuals focus on creating multiple income streams. For example, earning extra income through dividend stocks, side businesses, rental properties, or digital products can make a huge difference. Think about it. Generating an extra $500 a month from a side hustle and consistently investing it can add up to $6,000 a year, significantly accelerating your wealth-building journey. Diversifying your income not only provides more stability, but also opens up faster growth opportunities. So, rather than depending on just a paycheck, it's smart to think beyond traditional employment and start cultivating multiple streams of income. This approach is a key part of creating a resilient financial foundation, and reaching your goals more efficiently. Understanding how to effectively diversify your investments is a key strategic advantage. It's not just about spreading your money around. It's about reducing risk and positioning yourself for accelerated wealth growth over time. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from the volatility of any single investment, making your financial journey more resilient. But it's not enough to set it and forget it. Engaging in online learning opportunities, such as courses and webinars, allows you to deepen your knowledge and refine your skills. These platforms connect you with credible financial educators and thought leaders, whose insights can be invaluable in navigating the ever-changing financial landscape. Following experts in the field keeps you updated on the latest trends and strategies. And reading widely, books on personal finance, investing, and economic trends broadens your perspective and understanding. Remember, financial education is a continuous journey. The landscape is constantly evolving, with new opportunities and challenges emerging all the time. Staying informed and adaptable is essential for long-term wealth preservation and growth. So, keep learning, stay curious, and always look for ways to grow and adapt in your financial journey. Embrace these principles, and you will see your financial foundation strengthen, step by step, transforming your aspirations into tangible wealth. Remember, the power to create your rich future is truly in your hands. By harnessing the power of investing and compound interest, you can make your money work for you over time. It's about adapting and growing with the ever-changing financial landscape, staying flexible and open to new opportunities. Learning continuously is key. Every little step you take builds momentum and brings you closer to your goals. Starting small and staying consistent is crucial. Building wealth from zero isn't just a dream. It's an achievable reality when you apply the right mindset, make smart decisions, and stay disciplined. Your journey is a powerful testament to how deliberate financial choices can shape your future. Remember, this is your path to financial freedom. Keep moving forward, stay committed, and trust in the process.